It's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to completely reset your Xbox One controller. So if you're having a problem with it, this may help fix your issues. Now, we want to first turn on the controller by pressing the Xbox guide button and then turn it on. So my light is blinking because I'm not currently connected to a device. Now I'm going to go to the pairing button here on the top. And what I'm going to do is hold this down for about 15 to 20 seconds. So I'm going to hold it down right now. And then after about 20 seconds, you'll notice your controller shakes and vibrates. That's going to be an indication that your controller is now being reset. So I just heard it vibrate and my controller just shut off right now. Now what I can do is turn on the controller by pressing the Xbox button right here, and then it's going to try to connect to another device, and then I can put it back into the syncing and pairing mode by pressing that button once or twice. So I can press it, and then my Xbox One controller should be looking for an available device to connect to. So I held it down for about 2 or 3 seconds, and now the light is blinking faster right now. The other thing you could do is completely remove the batteries from the controller or directly connect your controller to the device you want to connect to with a USB cable. That seems like it works the best instead of trying to connect via Bluetooth, which can be a little bit iffy and can take a while to work. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.